Hi, if your latch spring has been damaged or got rusty and needs replacing, you need to make sure that the lip of the latch spring is placed in the rim of the mixer like this. Then when you take your bowl and you place the nipple onto the latch spring, the bowl should not move. Like this. You need to be careful when replacing your latch spring not to screw it in the wrong way. The incorrect way to place your latch spring on is for the spring to be facing this way. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos like this, please visit our website www.kaparts.co.uk.